morning, day traders. This is Mike with Ripper Die Trading, and we are day trading live this Friday morning. We have looks to be a lot more action than the rest of the week, which is crazy because we're short on big lots. We need to see a drop here because it's where the spread's terrible. Fall, bitch. Here we go.
So zero's previous resistance is started to set up as support. I don't think we're going to get the drop. I'll guess here. Gap is doing the same thing. It's going up.
Come on, a little bit more. There we go. Oh shit, I hit the wrong button. Fuck it, just get out real quick before I mess this up. Quick 300. I tried to take another half. Fuck it, I'm taking it now. That was a quick 150. I got in perfect timing there. Alright, I'm getting in a little early on gap here. It's not really advised normally, but felt like I was about to get that drop right there.
Real quick. Let me get out and then start watching some other stuff. As soon as it gets over 100 again, I'm going to take half of it and put a stop in and try to start watching it. Come on. Get back down there. You're not done bouncing yet. No, you're not bouncing yet. You got a big down candle you want to do. I hit this up. I knew I should have taken that earlier. Would have been quick easy money. I could have been watching the other stuff now. Alright, here we go. Next push down. All we're looking for is the spread beating that, because we're looking good here. The spread is just still 20 cents. We need that thing to drop a little bit. Some good pow. No. Just one big drop. Way off. Getting close. Wait for a second. Come on, a little bit more. There we go. Oh shit, wrong button. Fuck, let's get out real quick before I mess this up. Quick 300. I tried to take another half and I hit something that almost closed out the damn trading system. I got so excited about the drop. Alright, we're looking at what now? We're done with big lots. Still really interested in these two here. Let's see. That. Over here. Over here. This one's messed me up in the past.
There we go. Got through it. That's what we were looking for. This 20 is going to be key right here. If we can get through 20 right now, this thing's going to fucking die. I'm not going to be greedy. I just took half of it. That'll immediately make it go through 20.
Okay, I'm taking it now. That was a quick 150. I got in perfect time there. It was a little higher than that, but I'm not gonna get a quick pop like that and not take it. That was a gift. Now we're done with you now. What's going on in the world of Soli? Soli moly! This one has been a roller coaster.
And now I'm going to put in, what, I got 250 left.
Alright, zero. This one's beat down pretty hard today. So I figure out this is a big cap bounce or it's gonna round back today. So I'm getting ready for gaps getting closer and it's got a good spread. switch this. I like this one kind of bounced up a little bit back to about 1760 before it crosses. Don't know if we're going to get it on GPS. The bounce we wanted.
Come on now. Alright, it took me out. Oh well. I think I'm going to call it a day, guys. Everything I was looking at is fired. The only thing I wish I'd have done is stayed in big lots a little there. One day, we're going to get in, and it's going to give us this move immediately and not fuck with us first. But I'm excited to take this almost $600 in less than 30 minutes and get ready for my weekend. Hopefully you guys have a great weekend, and we'll see you Monday morning.